Welcome, cryptocurrency traders. It's Josh here with the Kings of Crypto, also with our Facebook group, Crypto Technical Analysis, News, and Signals. I'll go ahead and put the link to our Facebook group down below in the description. But today we are going to do a quick video lesson on how to short on Kraken. You go ahead and get this alert channel out of the way. Okay, so here we are. Here is my Kraken. You can see I had this little dip buy earlier today. Still holding on to that. All right, so we are going to do a quick video on how to short on Kraken. Okay, so first thing is, say if I wanted to create a short order to short at 10,799. Let's say I want to short 0.05 BTC. All I'm going to do is make sure I'm in sell. I always use limit orders on Kraken because the fees, you get about a 50% discount on the fees if you use a limit order, and it can be kind of expensive with 0.26% when you're first starting off with Kraken if you're using a market order. Now, Kraken does give you discounted fees over time. The more money you trade with them, the cheaper the fees they will give you, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, let's go ahead and say I want to short 0.05 BTC at, we'll say 10,890, just so I don't get filled real quick. Go ahead and put my order out there. It says sell limit, the amount, and 10,890. You can also see my order to short up here. It shows you right in the order book, and it also shows you on the chart itself where you're trying to short. Now let's go ahead and let's pretend that I am short and say that I would like to cover if we get down to let's say 10.5. Let's just say 10.570. So if I want to cover my 0.05 BTC and take profit at 10.570, I would simply go to buy, type in this limit order. Here's the amount. Here's the price I'm willing to buy my Bitcoin at. Then I would go ahead and hit buy. I'm getting a code for insufficient margin because I already am long on Bitcoin, so I can't buy more at this point. But anyways, that is a quick lesson on how to buy and sell using Kraken limit orders. It's a little bit simpler if you want to use a market order. You just would type in, say if you wanted to short 0.05 Bitcoin, you just type in 0.05, hit sell. Or if you wanted to go long, type in 0.05 and hit buy. And to exit a short position, you would just buy 0.05. And to exit a long position, you would just sell 0.05. So hopefully this makes it a little easier. If anybody has any questions, that's just for the video. I'm not actually shorting at that price. I am bullish on the current state of the market, so I think we're going to start a new uptrend here. If we're not able to hold above 10.5, then that will certainly change my opinion on things. But as long as we stay above 10.5 for the next few days, we should be starting a new bullish uptrend. And that's the way I'll be playing the market for the most part. Does anybody have any questions before I finish this video? Okay, Josh, could you go over how to set a stop buy to protect the short? Okay, so what you're going to do, let's pretend that we are short on Bitcoin, and we want to stop out if we go over 11,000. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit stop loss order, then you'll hit buy. You'll type in your 0.05 BTC, and if we go over, let's say 11,037, you'd hit buy, and there's your stop loss. So if you shorted the market and the market went up, once it hits 11,037, it will force you to exit your position and cut your loss right then and there. Is there any other questions on the Kraken platform? Also, just another quick note, you do have to hit leverage 5 if you are going, or actually just leverage 2, 3, 4, or 5 if you are going to make a short order. You cannot short with a cash position. Now, just because you select leverage 5 or leverage 2 does not mean that you have to use full leverage, but that is the max it will allow you to use on that order. So if you want to limit yourself to not accidentally put in an order for using more than 2-to-1 margin, then just select that leverage 2 button. I like to just always leave it on 5, just in case I do want to get extremely aggressive. That's something I'll go ahead and talk about real quick. If you are in a trade with 5 times margin, if you are down 3%, then that would cost you 15% of your entire account value. But at the same time, if you make 3%, that would be positive 15% of your entire value. This is how I was able to double a Kraken account from February 20th to February 24th. I was making about 20% a day shorting Bitcoin. And really that was about making 4 to 6% a day short. And the rest of that was margin. Now guys, if this is the first time you are checking out one of our YouTube videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We really appreciate that. Let us help help you. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or any ideas for future videos or anything you guys are wanting to know. And make sure if you enjoyed the content in this video to give us a thumbs up. We appreciate all the views and the support. And of course, if you guys are wanting to join our 24/7 cryptocurrency trading community, feel free to give me an email at thekingsofcrypto@gmail.com or stop by our Facebook group in the link down below. Our Facebook group is for our paid members only. We do only charge $25 a month for our first 100 members. And after that, we plan to raise the membership to $50 per month. So make sure you guys take advantage of that now while it's cheap. For those of you that do make it in our first 100 members, we will be loyal to you and go ahead and lock you in at that $25 per month for life. You can see here is our Zoom alert channel. We went ahead and posted ICX over 39.51 the other day. We ended up with a profit target of 4,200 to 4,300, and it exceeded both of our profit targets. Also, we use a Zoom app live for our chat room. This allows all of our analysts to discuss what is going on live. You can actually take on your phone and zoom in and out of our screen. Sometimes we'll have multiple charts up on the same screen, so it really helps being able to zoom in and look at exactly which chart and what you're trying to look at on that chart. When we do have multiple charts open, helps our members be able to keep an eye all over the market without having multi-monitor setups. So that's pretty cool. Another good trade we had today was in cash. So I won't tie you guys up too much longer, but like I said, if you guys are wanting to join our crypto trading community, send me an email at thekingsofcrypto@gmail.com. And until then, I'll catch you guys next time.